How to track expenses with QuickBooks. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to set up QuickBooks account by creating a company profile and linking your business bank account or credit cards. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import transactions, saving you time on manual data entry. Next, you want to manually add expenses by going to the Expenses tab, selecting New Expense and filling in the details like the payee, category, amount, and payment method. Now you want to categorize each expense to ensure they are tracked correctly. QuickBooks offers predefined categories like office supplies, utilities, or travel, but you can also create custom categories for more specific tracking. Attach receipts by taking photos or uploading them to expense entry. This helps maintain accurate records and makes it easier to verify expenses come tax time. Now you want to run reports such as profit, loss, expense by vendor, or spending trends to get insights into where your money is going. These reports help you analyze and manage your budget and are especially useful for tax season. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.